In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and save views in Asana. We'll walk through how to adjust what you see in your project and then save that layout so you don't have to set it up from scratch every single time. This is especially helpful if you manage a lot of tasks or collaborate with a team and want everyone looking at the same thing. First, open the Asana project where you want to change the view. At the top of your project, you'll see different view options such as list, board, calendar, or other available views depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on one of those view options above the project. This step switches the way your tasks are displayed. For example, you might prefer a board view for a Kanban style workflow, or a list view if you like a more traditional task list. Take a moment to select the view that best matches how you like to work. Once you've chosen your view, the next step is to refine what you see using filters. At the top of the project interface, look for the filter option. It's usually near the top right area of the project toolbar. Click on Filter. This opens a panel or drop down where you can control which tasks are visible. Now, select the filter options that make sense for you. For instance, you could filter tasks by assignee, so you only see tasks assigned to you. You might filter by due date, such as only tasks due this week, or by completion status to focus on incomplete tasks. You can also combine filters, like showing only high priority tasks that are still open. Take a bit of time to adjust these settings until the project view shows exactly what you need to focus on. After you're happy with your chosen view and filters, you'll want to save this setup so it's easy to return to later. Look again near the top of the project and click on Save View. This tells Asana to remember the current view settings, including the layout and filters you just applied. Depending on your permissions and Asana setup, saving the view can make this the default view for you and sometimes for the rest of the project members as well. This is a great way to create a consistent experience for your team, so everyone sees tasks organized in the same way when they open the project. And that's it.